What if I told you that in the next 5 minutes your entire relationship to AI is about to change forever? My name is Osita and I'm not here to waste your time with theoretical nonsense or surface level tips that everyone else is recycling. I'm here because I have cracked the code on something extraordinary which I'm about to share with you. You've probably watched dozens of AI tutorials that promised the world and delivered, nothing that actually moved the needle for you. Maybe you have tried ChatGPT a few times, got mediocre results, and thought, this is it. This is what everyone's raving about. Okay, now here is the brutal truth here is the brutal truth most people won't tell you. Most people won't tell you, but when you know how to speak its language, when you understand the psychology behind prompting, the art of visual storytelling, and the science of turning this AI into your own personal creative powerhouse, that's when the real magic happens. And that's exactly what you are missing. Okay? Welcome to Osita's AI Mastery, the only channel that will transform you from an AI amateur into an AI virtuoso. Here is what we are going to master together. This is what we are going to master together as you follow me through my projects, through my video tutorials. So first, we are going to craft folk tales and stories that don't just entertain, they captivate. Stories that make people stop scrolling, lean in, and hang on every single word. Because in a world of endless content, the storytellers rule. Secondly, we are diving deep into AI image generation, not just pretty pictures, you can find anywhere online, but stunning visuals that communicate, persuade, and sell. Graphics that make people say, "Oh, wait a minute, AI created this." Oh yes, those are the things I am going to guide you through on this and every tutorials, which of course will commence this week. And uh, and uh, and okay, now thirdly, prompt engineering that actually works. Okay, we are going to start initiating prompts that's with which you are going to use in creating images, and with these images you are going to use it and transform them into a talking video, be it a podcast, ministration, or whatever. I am going to show you how to do that. Now this is Clink AI. You can use this for we are going to show you how to use this and transform your AI generated images into speaking videos, speaking cartoons, or realistic images. Alright, so and finally we are turning AI into your 24/7 creative and business assistant. Now imagine having a tireless partner that never sleeps, okay? Yeah, of course, and then never complains and consistently delivers breakthrough ideas for you, for your project. This is what you're going to. So here is what happens next. If you want to follow me to learn and master this AI, to activate and of course actualize your purposes in whichever area at all you are in, all you need to do, hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss a single breakthrough that could change everything for you. Ring that notification bell, because these tutorials drop weekly, and every week I will make sure I drop 3 videos that will guide you through achieving your set goals with AI, and they are going to fill up fast with people who want exactly what you want. Your mastery journey starts right now, not tomorrow, not next week, but right now, of which the screen is waiting for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I am Osita, this is AI Mastery, and I will see you in the next video where we dive into our real life transformation with AI. Now, what you are seeing on the screen here is one of the tools we are going to be making use of. As you can see on the screen, this is lovevoice.com. Now, this is one of the tools to transform text into voice. Okay, text to speech. Okay, there are other one. You can also make use of 11 Labs. But for the sake of this video, let me show you a demonstration with this. Now this is where you enter the text. Okay, now let me type this. Let me enter this text here. Okay, so I have copied the work, the text that I want to transform into speech. I've copied it. You can also type it in this box once you log in into this site, lovevoice.com, or you can create an account when you log in and you don't have an account with them. I'm going to show you how to do this in my next video, how to create. This is just a kind of intro into what I'm going to guide you through on. Okay, so I've entered the text. The next thing I'm to do now is to change the English. Okay, I'm going to go with English Nigeria. Okay, you can choose any of them that satisfies your choice. So I'm going with English Nigeria. Alright, okay, this is it. Okay, now so this is, since I need a male voice, I can go with a male voice, or I'll go on with the female voice. But let me leave it with the male voice. Now generate. This takes just a few seconds.
My name is Osita.
Can you listen to
and
that?
I'm not here to waste your time with theoretical nonsense or surface level tips that everyone else is recycling. I'm here because I've cracked the code on something extraordinary and I'm about to share it with you.
Did you see that? So now, once after you generated this voice, all you need to do here, you click on this icon here to download. Okay, so once it is downloaded, now the next thing now is to download to create the images. Okay, after creating the images, we can now log in into Leonardo. We can now go into Clink. Okay, yeah, we can use Clink now to transform those images with the speech that we have generated to a speaking image. Okay, I've put the setup. I'm going to guide you through on all the setup and every other thing required. Now, if you don't want to use the Clink AI, you can also make use of Hydra. Okay, Hydra AI. I'm going to also show you how to operate it to subsequent videos. Okay. Alright, so we've come to the conclusion of this intro. This is just my first video to introduce the channel. So from tomorrow, please come back to this site to receive more, to receive the first tutorial on this video on how to master AI to achieve your set goals. By consistently sticking with me on this channel, I'm going to guide you through on how to at least achieve $500 to $1,000 in a month. Okay, this may sound not true, but by the time you follow me through, you'll see the possibility in it. See you in my next video. Remember to subscribe.